Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to unbox the Realme 6 Pro. So guys, this is a really cool device and comes in the budget of 15 to 20,000. And if you guys had seen my previous videos of the gaming phones under 20,000, this is one of the gaming phones, and also it's quite powerful. So guys, let's talk about the key specs of this device. It comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup with 20x hybrid zoom, and guys, it has a in-display dual selfie, dual punch hole display with 90 hertz refresh rate, and has a 30-watt flash charge with a battery capacity of 4300 mAh. And also guys, it is powered by Snapdragon 720G processor. So guys, that's also a gaming processor, quite powerful and very similar to Snapdragon 730G. So guys, talking about the pricing, the device was priced around 18,000, and I got it discounted by using the cards like ICICI, Citibank, and stuff like that. And also guys, talking about the basic base variant, it comes with a 664 GB. There are other two variants, that is 6128 and 8128 most probably. And it's 128 or 250 GB for the higher variant. I just forgot it. And guys, talking about made in India logo there, and guys, it just means assembled in India. And also, yeah, we don't have options for non-Chinese phones now, so had to go with this. On the right side we have the Realme 6 Pro branding. On the top we just have 6 Pro and the Realme logo at the bottom, and on the left again Realme 6 Pro and key specs on the rear side. So guys, let's start with the unboxing. Let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So alright guys, first of all, this is the box. Let's start from a side. Let me just tear this plastic cover, and that's done. And let me just peel this. Oh my god, that's satisfying. Let me just remove everything. And this is the box without the plastic wrap. And guys, we also have a seal here. Let's break that and let's open the box. So the seal is broken, and let me just open the box. And yeah, just a second more. Okay, it's almost done. So let me just remove that. And here we get the keynote. Hey, welcome to Realme family, a Realme logo at the bottom. So let me just open this, and what do we get in this one? We get my user manual, maybe some warranty cards, and a case. It's a soft case, a little bit harder, but yeah, that's good. And also, what else in the pouch? Nothing else, it's empty. So this one is empty, and here is the phone. This is the phone with a normal this thing there. Let me just keep this aside for a moment, and please keep this here. And this is a 30-watt charger with a Realme branding on the back, and some details given on the left, on the right, and nothing else on the charger, but it's quite heavy. And guys, talking about the cable, a normal USB to type C cable with the yellow tint on the adapter as well as on the charging cable. So guys, let's keep all the things aside and let's talk about the device itself. So guys, just a moment, let me just keep this aside and let's talk about the device. So let me just peel this off. So this is the pouch that our device comes in, and guys, this is the device. You guys can see the yes mark or the thunder mark on the back. That's a cool design by Realme. Let me just remove this. This is a interrupting in the beauty of the phone. And guys, on the front there's nothing else written, and there is a fingerprint sensor on the top. Let me just turn this on. Let's talk about the physical overview. Let me just turn it on. Does it have some juice? Yeah, it's turning on. Let's see. On the right guys, we get a fingerprint button as well as the power on off button. That's the same thing, fingerprint scanner integrated with the power button, and on the top it's clearly clean, and on the left there are volume rockers and a SIM injector tool, a SIM injector tray. And guys, in the box we get something over here. I just forgot in the Realme 5i unboxing mostly, and yeah, we get a SIM injection pin. So let's just check that as well. But on the rear side guys, we get a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel quad camera, and we get a Realme branding on the bottom. And on the top guys, there is nothing except for a microphone. It's quite completely dark, so you guys can just see a little bit of there. And guys, AI quad camera written on the back, and that's it. Let me just set up the phone and be back in a moment. So guys, let me just show you the SIM injection tool, I mean the SIM tray actually. Let me just close this device and let me just show you the SIM tray. It's over here. And guys, we get let me just remove it and tell you what do we get. We get a SIM tray, a dedicated SD card slot, and another dual SIM, a tray for second SIM. So guys, that's what we get in the device. It's a long tray, but yeah, this is the complete device. Let me just set it up and be back in a moment. We are back in the UI of the device, and guys, I have already set it to 90 Hz refresh rate, and it feels really smooth. And I don't know about the battery, how it will perform. And let me just change the wallpaper so that it's visible. Okay, wallpapers. Let me just add up something bright. Yeah, this one looks bright. And yeah guys, this is the phone, and guys, I'll make a separate gaming review and camera test, so stay tuned for that. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye.